journey, the journey, the
journey. Nyame edia kwa dia babe rafi fufuro mane ye enije. Eti ba bibia owo bia no memo kwa abastronko edo ba the journey TV show so. Nene ye ba betwetwe nkomo. Se ye ka se asiesie ene ahodie eka abrabo ho ne de. Edru mrebia e wo se ye di mpanyefo a omo wonimdie na omo akodare e wo sa bia no. Ene one of Ghana's most beautiful model and a better chinkomo nansana no mamini aboafo a omasomasin entrechinkomo na memda omwase sa bribia no omutimi esomasin na medi dwumadi ebro e give us clean care time herbal mixture e Kinoga Herbal Clinic Edek SMV test the journey for Adum TV Knoma Entertainment and Ages Black Turmeric Soap. Omuno masoma saying and I'm did air bro. To me damn me who I could job off on crowds on me bar. Yeah, Baba to chinko. My shoulder do and cover via. Yakwaji enkwato aba aha Adum TV so na the Journey TV show. Me da was sabri bia ojebret na say na yetwetwe nkomo ewodwumadi. Ene me guest no a model a your friend Afia Sarfo Kantanka. I say di ne modu. Ene rabai ene no eba betwetwe nkomo. The gorgeous black beauty. I know you having on the Journey TV show. Mommy akwaba.
Yeah.
Hey, to say you. Yeah, more fair. And I like the way you catwalk your videos and I didn't cry will get into being a model and I say, oh share or skin no any the way I would see and I see Ejuma Weyana Mayana.
Ejuma day na Shasya day didn't even come from me. I had never thought class a model. Wow. My cousin I know your fashion designer man, one of the best designers Kofi and Sam and so he was one of the best and
okay.
He's so rest in peace. Oh ya check akra. So or any design or any service or hona home, you know say Afia. Kofi and Sam na mabe pim ho Belinda be do lady be of America ba.
Hey,
Belinda you Kofi and Sam model to ba ha na me hu me tell say oni Kofi and Sam ka say obi agency Ghana wa ha. Ti blaje do any modeling. We SS fufro. Do any modeling o chire me mu. Ti sa de nyame fa so bi ekwan na me cousin ne so. Silver Star Towers. O say that Saturday na oba joyce ni do man that na va start one aba fufro. Belinda went on that show and spoke about the program and everything. I'm like, okay. Let's give it a try. Oh. The woman looked so much like me. She's dark. The only difference is she was so I'm like, okay, sana metieni sana mami wait you. And I'm modeling. Okay, mami go hear the crowd. You know, the audition so fast start me when feeder. My dumb audition. That was my breakthrough. She saw me and she fell in love with me out of the 5,000 people.
This is the one.
I'm telling you.
Oh my goodness.
There was no doubt. She just embraced me.
Oh.
At that time, created a website for the models. We were just 10.
Wow.
So that was my breakthrough. And lo and behold, my skin. Tell me who did they say? So we are calling now upon who are. Ebia who so far so say. Nia now be who. Enyamia dum. Na miskin and so am family sanka. Yes. No craze. Says into me break Belinda Bay do me na baby and din boneda. Or try ya say ko dem ko US me kai sa ye na mu. Stand me to mu prekope. So my modeling journey ne dear I would say is great and whenever I go no Grace speaks for me aside my skin. I think Grace is even the first one before my skin because it was just like that.
Wow.
Maybe I'm a Druby. I was just like this stands out. Me cry face of black secrets. A foundation. No more makeup here. No me bra koya ni pia. Me ne fear rem. See bro. Udi an office on home feel. Ube do no time. Open ebe di BH. It's me bro audition ma sanda ni meni. Me dani meni me yes me see am. Ni asma tell me frame me.
Wow.
Out of the crowd. I got there and I'm like, no, I'm not supposed to be here. I'm I turn and then they see me from afar and then they call me. The bar not just say no, me audition no.
That's grace.
It's just grace. You're following me.
And you're also doing well because some of your videos now, because you won't say, and then the debut maker, no or your actress and now a musician, or TV train say Juma Mra.
That is my point.
No, because me won't say you are spending on your crafts.
Exactly.
Not watch the show, more your makeup, now your dress, so cats walking on. I'm home say, like I've been there. I know I've been there. So me home say, the way Mamunya we say, won't baby because I've been there. sometimes you go on set at I didn't demand any effort to swallow near my air question your wow. So I've been seeing that spy will say you are just pushing, just say, but other models will be there. And when the person a copy, when you be can stay and say, but the hard work. Oh, I'm seeing that and it's so beautiful. You're doing so well. And Minam Chroma, I've been seeing some billboards. They become me cherry. I think I sent it to you.
You sent it to me.
I'm like, girl, to say, you know, when you try and Islam, say, hey, Afia. I just took a picture of say, Afia, see you, and then
you sent it to me.
It was so beautiful. Me who has me caught a crowd, this me go like a big say, hey. I mean, I was so happy. Or whatever you have, but I home so. Yeah, then the two board so back, no, I say. So manager be managing a umbuno, or be on any age, Afia, you have to meet then to send some or saying, and the person wants to be like you. A dear na onye.
In the country, you have to be humble. In your country, as a human being, you have to be humble. So, would that same person call you back again? And I said, would that person tell somebody out there, say, oh, Minister, be here, you 4 days. Will you get that?
Yes.
Will you get that? Because you said me do one dance will be. You have to be humble, respectful, and above all, believe in yourself.
Yes, that's the main thing.
Say, and there
is nothing like small contracts because you don't know that way that contract will take you.
No. I started modeling in 2013, 14, and almost that year was my free show.
You have to pay your dues, so free adverts. You have
to. Free show no build day. Me be the face of Udin. It got to a time. Now Accra moment na me born na. Sajumana minya was a free shoot I did for a woman.
You see?
And then she told another person about me, and that got me the Udin.
You see,
I was the face of Udin for like a year or two.
And I'm not trying to come in there, member. You see, you have to sacrifice in this entertainment. I always say, is should I know? This is dance do the Udin and change. When you do it well,
yes,
it will pay off.
It will pay off.
It will
pay off. Pa. Yesterday I was somewhere and I had a call. GTP. Me want to say me na me buy nye yi be na me wona me nimpa boa baby ani pan say okoti me din wo pa. I had to be there in the next 20 minutes.
Have to.
And I couldn't make it, and they were so mad. They were like, Grace, can't you do anything about it?
Oh.
The person who mentioned your name is not an ordinary person. Me buso omoanka. And they really needed me yesterday, and apart from yesterday, they can't use me anymore.
Oh, but where were you?
Na me wo programmer say, and then no problem says me yampa boa.
Unya baby Antobi. Hey, my sister.
They did me in 20 minutes.
Hey,
from Kaswa to watching my sister. Na me pese me man be disappointed woman.
Unam so come between with the 20 minutes they'll give you 1 hour. Next time man, you say me.
Yes, I remember.
Hey, if you me. Sis. Because a coin one you Rubenya, he will be an boy in your day. But that moment Rubashe.
Anyway, as I got a grab prof Makata.
If you are my scale for.
Sis, I'm Brazilian and them more minia.
You have to.
I keep doing this video and I keep telling people they'll come to your page, says, help me with this amount of money. Says, I feel a brand me so me share see you say.
That's what I'm
Yeah. You called me and then I had to plan to be here. I just had to make 2 calls.
Yeah.
Sister, may make up. What's your fear? Me will come master and baby yama.
Oh.
Me ni you will make a baby me baby yama.
And you know one thing I like about you? You put something to my me when you media. No, that thing, it's funny, but it's great because hey, you know, like yes. Because there are people that they say fake it so you make it, but sometimes you fake it and you never make it because everybody thinks you have it.
Yeah, I know just me name one day me woman but
yes,
since me DM and the youth they think they it's hard to let them know. Say in modeling
and easy.
In modeling, I say easy. So what ba? Me 5,000. Advertise my dress for me, Shamata dear. Yeah, runway show. Sister, maybe you were to America. What you at again? And you
so I don't kind of come. I say, you
me. Or two were framing me baggy advertisement me a fashion show, a photo shoot. Me real me say, yeah, you may or say, can I create some content by maybe singing or maybe doing my videos? Also, okay, feel free. Now my idea good draft. Let me posting in kakra. Eh, my name will say, I made a ye show. Hey, no, ye re. But you need to match sako frontal.
Yeah.
Frontal net to me who no says.
Hey, serious so.
Me shane glue na no day. Me the ye hair shoot unless the pani know me personally. Beauty may even my personal makeup artist.
Yeah.
This or no penny be I me Kelvin radio chale. Me the coffee me we na me dey abroad alupi. Then I bring in home. Na say obi contacting me I won't name me.
But you are there.
Hey sister, e won ma why? Would yaji. I feel good baby na me show me ni ma me hang na san. You know what? Mama go try me tea. Na me go try me tea. Me try me tea ring na. I don't know if you saw my previous video. Me am take ma. Me try me tea na. Me yin na go says. I'm still waiting for that good person. Obeka say Grace, I'm getting you this big contract that will change your life. I'm still pulling the ropes. Na me want me not that day should come. Until then, dear.
Enya
media. A lot of things on my pages.
Enya media. Any other for enya media you try your ya basa
Journey, the journey.
Yakoji Nkwato aba Oguswa the Journey TV show on Adom TV na me guest no Afia Sarfo Kantanka or your model and your name Etchinkomo. Afia yanko into life hina na wo saying na ashasi and it's here before we ye nimu say Afia all over for yen for abrabo pension.
Abrabo asin me started more in 2013.
So then and now we year before
na my real school SHS. Try my result for kana me brady we baby boom.
Like you said,
yes.
It's a hifa na ufi.
Me fi kuma ubodumase.
Okay.
I'm an Ashanti.
Okay.
But born and raised in Accra. Me papa free mu na me so around 4-5 years.
So it's been mom.
Been my mom and my siblings.
How many?
We are 8 and I'm the last born.
Oh, she would him.
And yeah, easy. Me nuanom has been supportive.
Oh.
Munyanum back we betoma, you are the black sheep, I am the black sheep in my family. Munyanum social media says, Papa free muna mishawo. Papa free muna misha. Me mama, you know mothers struggling. It's been my 5 brothers and my 2 sisters.
Wow.
They have made sure say till date. Sis.
We are okay.
Till date. Me shade ni omo breye me breye na de bie bi ni ho sa ma me enye gidigidi bia se ma ye ya bro so but say me wo baby da me timi movie around freely me sis me nye obi a me ho kire me gidigidi bia sa so nya enya me adom so na abana sa
ebeko fast
because
na me be hye na ho
me hu ne me ye I feel say the humility I'm me kan nya menum everybody who has met me will say one thing: you have to be humble in life. Obi any baby a wadru na enye obi na twen no ebo ani ma ni dru ho. And that is one thing that has held me and hold me as till now. Says egusu a epia me. It's like what you be tua bibi de ewura babe no efia makwa be ewura ho no sa koyaba. It's been grace.
Na me ayade na onji ni se din no so ama insusanso wo so Afia Sarfo Kantanka de na enim se eja the style of Africa. You need some pay na kura no. Na efri
Edino quite. I told you I've been a model for a while now. I took a break for some time. Me back across me didn't our system. I was one of the best. First we a fashion show.
No one can.
Yes, somebody will literally ask you, is Grace Sarfo? That was my stage name, Grace Sarfo.
Okay, Grace Sarfo.
It's Grace Sarfo. We were just like 10 models, myself, Julie, Prince, Miriam and Frida. We were just 10. They will ask you, are these people on your show?
If they are not doing anything.
We are not doing it. We are not, yes. So going me disappear in industry and people were heartbroken.
What happened?
I had to take that break for family.
For how long?
For a very long time.
10?
Yes, 15.
15 years.
I took a very long break.
And you just came and back?
Exactly. Me back 4 years in man.
Wow.
I just came back like that. Me be a TikTok. My first 2 years was private. That was the day I'm saying, I mean, I be a public, I didn't private. And in just 1 year, my page was like that.
What God cannot do does not exist indeed. Wow.
Bible tell me if you need to ni pastor no credit. The only person na me back means and go bit me asan tweme pie was Emmanuel Bobie. He died. Sis, I almost gave up again. I was chatting with this man because he made me Grace Sarfo way back. So when I came back, I was like, prodigal daughter, Papa, where Jimmy Bio? Because me kakrama, me man krano. I just changed my number because I knew people would get hurt. Sis, I got there. But because of families and few, you had to.
No,
yeah.
Oh, that's my war.
Hey, sis, what do you do? It's family.
Oh my God, no, I ever see her. Oh, that's my war.
And me start saying so. Nice, family. Male baby now were broche and no perception about Madeline was so different.
So I say we media need to buy.
It's not ideas no more dey ban no say
too much. You had to stop.
I had to. It's not I was let me swan me say me I know what I want. It won't happen again.
Yes.
I really want to do this job. I'm going to do it. So I called him. I'm like I'm okay. I'm coming back. Like says mo fan cheme, bro, mo fan cheme. I really want to do this Madeline. I am coming back and I know by the grace of God I will go. Maybe still start here 4 years to cry my.
Wow.
After Bobie died, and I was so devastated, and I was like, okay. So there was this guy. Then it bounces back to humility. Says 2013. This guy was one of the guys I know who did stylist nechi. See a fashion show. Who did designers nechi. No share your models name Pabua.
Wow.
Backstage I bija no. Hey no how do hey. Brave ba me ho send me pa me dem nine. Two be session me Pabua mama.
Daddy,
Meshama up till now me nye pedicure. Me ya me din. Some of them na to be nice. Me don't know me ya so me table be. Na me nice so. I don't know what is wrong with me but this is me.
Onye
me nye mama ga ya sha me Pabua do ba o say no. O say Grace mama sha won Pabua ma me say no. I can't. I will do it myself. So me ya be ye me na mo do see be tie are you crazy?
That guy is
sis me back. And I know he is one of the best stylists in Ghana.
It is a way rude to him.
Sis,
you know what he know?
Me who say Bobie will pen am say ready wine biom. Let me see there be no well the bonnet. Me boni dinner me call am say no this is Grace Sarfo. You remember me say come on. Sis not in 1 week. Or creative shooter ma GTP one of the biggest deal I can never be pure Ghana. Was a me drop him out of the washing.
Wow.
This is the same humility. Years back, I gave to this guy. He gave it back to me. He dropped somebody, not in a bad way.
No, but
replacing me. I had to be there.
So you also needing
this guy replaced me. And the show at that point in time was what I needed for a comeback.
Yes.
To announce to people that Grace Sarfo is back. Wow. That was it.
Wow.
This is bounces back to humility.
Yes.
If I had treated this guy anyhow.
So
no one brought me back into the industry like that. So people that were looking for me years back, Grace bad, I beg, mama number. And that was what started giving me gigs.
Oh, the gigs, not back
again. Can you say?
Bro.
Media ne confused. See young girls too much. You don't know where you're gonna meet who. Why do this to yourself?
You're saying because of likes in the comments.
Hey, why do this to yourself?
Because of likes in the comments. Hey, watching a video
trend in a week
and destroy your future for life. Yeah.
This video are going to be on the internet forever. Hope I delete it. Somebody will save it somewhere.
Yeah.
Be humble. Be mama media so.
Likes in the comments,
I am getting so much help from this same social media. This same social media has 10 people's life.
Yes.
Don't you see it? This guy came to social media within a week and this guy is flying around just because of one good thing he did. Why don't you wait till the right time and then you two will shine rather than feel the same you train for a week. Just a week.
Nasa.
The video will be there forever.
No, your helpers.
Until then,
amen. Now on my dear
hey, sis. This is confusion.
Say.
Is that a question or?
Actually, hey. Okay, so you're gonna act excited about big news. Be a wati. Excited about big news. Act it. When your contract be.
Maybe we should have. Since that day. So coming out to my minimum and I'm
so now you've gotten a good news. Saying acting my. Stand by. Are you ready?
I'm ready, guys.
Action.
Drive an hour to the car. Oh my God! What God cannot do does not exist. Oh God, so you did this for me. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just let it's like I rather me now say what say that day.
God.
I hope I answered well.
What will be a new to me catch will be someone hard drunk or set so opinion roses here.
We are so gonna hold no.
But so we see your frame na faith. Ya wa hamper or what? Ya debe mouth from sponsors. It's here that Sipanya mean sure so about. And they hear a lot from you. And me come a picky bee. My name so I wash more fear of a baby backo and ask me, you know. My catch said the journey we are here to inspire, motivate, and educate. And to say your banner, you die yantra, then you be inspire. Ya inspire so not just say ya sure what dear. Now what you be ano be kind home e the Jenny TV shows so I don't TV na yentrain come on. Me da boafo nyina say abafo masoma say time herbal Mr. Give us clean care, Kinoga Herbal Clinic, Edec SM Beaters, and Ages Black Turmeric Soap, and afi time herbal Mr. Say malaria dear, and Joe back when penny for what I don't TV and Kunama Entertainment, and also Masina did you bro. It's been years you go so echo. God has been so good to yenina. Yes, from we dear. Na yebeka chobia say when yamena okura yemuna because of crime na so wa wo hwe me hwe ho yi ema me because bese na watwe bia me ba me no embeche story no together asemba akona da bia me catch Mrs. Nyame wo mu a ebeye yi me din e di Abena Ghana abonofo ekodi e break up this year my crowd.
The journey, the journey, the journey.